Hello students, welcome to the TMPS online classes. Today in maths we are going to start up a new chapter, that is chapter number 10, more on fractions. Fractions we have already learned in the previous term, but there are some more definitions or some more concepts which we have to learn in this fractions. So that is why its name is more on fractions. Fraction के बारे में हम और जानेंगे कि और क्या क्या चीजें उसमें होती हैं. Now, the first topic in our class is equivalent fractions. What do you mean by equivalent fractions? It is defined as a fraction. ये क्या है? एक तरीके का fraction है with different numerators. Different numerators means here and different denominators means जिसका denominator और numerator क्या होता है? Different होता है. That represents the same value. But उनकी जो value आती है, उनका जो प्रोपोर्शन होता है दैट इज द सेम और द होल दैट रिप्रेजेंट्स द सेम वैल्यू और प्रोपोर्शन ऑफ होल किसी एक होल का. सपोज फॉर एग्जांपल सम डायग्राम इज गिवन ऑन द बोर्ड, इजंट इट? फर्स्ट, सेकंड, थर्ड, फोर्थ. हियर दिस इज होल, इजंट इट? हाउ मेनी पार्ट्स इट इज? 1, 2. So 2 here it is written. Clear? How many part it is colored? 1 part, so 1 by 2 or 1 upon 2. So 1 part is colored out of 2. Isn't it? It is half है कि half part आपका colored है और half part colored नहीं है. Now see the next. Here how many parts are there? Whole 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Isn't it? So 4 parts. How many parts are colored? 2. 2 upon 4. If we cross it, it will gives you 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. Again, the answer will be what? 1 upon 2. Answer क्या हो जाएगा? 1 upon 2. See the same. Now come to the third part. Here, how many whole parts are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 whole part. Clear? Now, how many parts are colored here? 1, 2, 3. So 3 upon 4. Here the numerator, this is called the numerator, this is called the denominator, isn't it? But 3 parts are colored out of 6, that is 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6. So how many whole? So 1 by 2 again. Here also 1 upon 2. See the same digit is coming, 1 upon 2, 1 upon 2, 1 upon 2. Now come here, how many parts it is? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 whole parts. So we will written here 8. How many parts it is colored? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 is written in the numerator part. Now if we cut 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8. Again the whole or the part, the same value. The same value it represents. So 1 upon 2, 1 upon 2, 1 upon 2, 1 upon 2. So here 1 upon 2 is equals to 2 upon 4 is equal to 3 upon 6 is equals to 4 upon 8. Why? Because each is equal to 1 upon 2. हम इसको whole part को 1 upon 2 किसके equal है? 2 upon 4. Because क्यों equal है? Why? Because if we cut it, it will get 1 upon 2. Then again it is equal, 1 upon 2 is equal to 3 upon 6. Why it is equal? 3 1s are 3. 3 2s are 6. Here 1 upon 2 is equals to 4 upon 8. How is it equal? 4 upon 4. 4 2s are 8. So 4 1s are 4. 4 2s are 8. Again it is 1 upon 2. So each is equal to 1 upon 2. Clear? This is called equivalent fraction. Let's revise once again. What is equivalent fraction? It can be defined as a fraction. ये एक तरीके का fraction है with different numerators. What is called numerator? Suppose I have written 1 upon 2 here. So 1 is called numerator and the 2 is called denominator. Isn't it? Now see here, with different numerators and different denominators. Here the numerator is different, denominator is different. Here also the numerator is different and the denominator is different. All the numerators and the denominators are different. सभी के numerators और denominators क्या है? Different है. दैट रिप्रेजेंट, बट उनकी जो वैल्यू होती है और प्रोपोर्शंस होता है, द वैल्यू दैट इज वी आर गेटिंग 1/2, वी आर गेटिंग द सेम प्रोपोर्शन, thus it will be represent the whole. So that represent the same value or proportion of the whole. मीन्स किसी भी होल पार्ट का, किसी भी होल चीज का आपको सेम वैल्यू देगा, सेम प्रोपोर्शन देगा. क्लियर? फॉर एग्जाम्पल हियर द होल इज 2. Suppose one box is given, the whole part it is 2. It is 2. But how many parts are colored here? 1. इसमें से कितने parts colored हैं? Only 1. So न्यूमरेटर में आपका 1 होगा and डिनोमिनेटर it is 2. क्योंकि हमेशा हम डिनोमिनेटर में क्या लिखते हैं? The whole value. Again the next question is the whole square it contains 4 parts. कितने parts contain है? 1, 2, 3, 4. So the denominator will be 4 because denominator contains the whole part. And how many part it is colored? 1, 2. So the numerator will be 2. But if we cut it, हम इसको और reduce करेंगे, then we will get 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. Now come to the third part. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Whole part it is 6. So we will write 6 in the numerator part. 1, 2, 3. 3 parts are colored. So write 3 in the numerator. Clear? Now, if we reduce it, if we cut it, we will get 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6. So again the value it becomes 1/2. फिर हमें क्या मिल गई? Value 1/2. Now come to the last here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 parts are given. The whole part it is 8. So we have written 8 in the numerator part. So how many part it is colored? 1, 2, 3, 4. So write 4 in the numerator part. So again if you reduce it, so 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8. So the value will be the same. Come here. See here. 1/2 is equal to 2/4 is equal to 3/6 is equal to 4/8. Why it is equal? Because the value, the proportion will be same. If you reduce it, we will get 1/2. If you reduce this, we will get 1/2. And if we reduce this, we will get 1/2. So each is equal to 1/2. हर एक equal किसके है? 1/2. Clear? Now see here, we have given some of the examples. See, if we multiply, we are getting 1/2 here, isn't it? हम लोग यहाँ क्या लिखें? 1/2. And each fraction we are getting 1/2. So if we multiply 1/2 multiplied by 2, ऊपर भी हम 2 से multiply करेंगे and in the denominator also. Why 2? Because if you multiply the same number, we will get the same. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. See, 2/4 we are getting here. Again, 1/2 multiplied by 3 in numerator also and 3 in denominator also. So we will get 3/6. 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6. If you multiply 4 multiplied by, 1/2 multiplied by 4, both in numerator and denominator, what we will get? 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8. See the same fraction we are getting, जो हम लोगों ने actual में draw किया था. Clear? Now this is the multiplication part. If we divide, अगर हम उसका reverse करते हैं, opposite करते हैं, if we divide the same number, see 2/4 divided by 2. 2 से हम ऊपर भी multiply करेंगे and in the denominator also. In the numerator and in the denominator. If you divide 2 by 2, we will get 1. If you divide 4 by 2, we will get 2. 4 से अगर आप 2 को divide करोगे, then we will get 2. So we are getting 1/2. Again 3/6, we will divide by the same number. आप same number से divide करोगे. So 3 is divided by 3, we will get 1. 6 is divided by 3, we will get 2. Again 1/2. Last 4/8 divided by 4 in the numerator and 4 in the denominator. If we divide 4 by 4, we will get 1. And if we divide 8 by 4, we will get 2. So this is the numerator and the denominator part which we divide. And we will get 1/2. See, here the fraction part we are getting. अगर आप multiply करोगे तो आप क्या करोगे? तो सेम पार्ट आपको मिलेगा, सेम वैल्यू मिलेगी, द फ्रैक्शन विच आई हैव ड्रॉन. But if you divide the same part, means these are equal. अगर हम divide करेंगे, again we are getting 1/2, 1/2, 1/2. Here 1/2 is mentioned. अगर हम 1/2 से multiply करेंगे, then we will get the same fraction, or we will divide it, we will also get the same proportion or the same fraction. So this is equivalent fraction. Please go through the topic and solve the question related to this topic in your book. Thank you class. Have a nice day.